If you're like me, your garden is your happy place, and taking pictures of your garden and sharing them with your friends and family is a wonderful thing to do. But what if some of the pictures don't turn out quite right? You're not really happy with them. Hi, I'm Marion Owen, and I'm happy to announce my upcoming workshop called The Beginner's Guide to Photographing Flowers. And the reason I'm so excited is because one of my favorite subjects is flowers. And I'm going to take my 40 years of working as a professional photographer and take these tips and tricks and share them with you. The workshop is this Saturday at 4 p.m. Seattle time, and I will post more instructions and details below for you. And one more thing I wanted to share is that I posed this question to about 10,000 gardeners. And the question is, when it comes to taking pictures of flowers, what is your biggest challenge? And I want to read to you some of the comments that I received. Getting the right light. Now maybe you can relate to some of these. Getting the right light. How to take close-ups. Lots of people are interested in how to take pictures of their flowers close up. Get those details, you know. What's the best time of day? Having enough time to take pictures. We can all relate to that. And here's one. My plants are too messy. And here's one I really like. How to take good photos of my plants before the deer and the bunnies eat them. So we're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a lot together, have a Q&A session at the end, and I look forward to seeing you this Saturday. That's 4 p.m. Seattle time. Check out the details below. Meanwhile, happy gardening. Cheers.